That was interesting, right? Do you want to know how I did it? Let me show you. Let's take a look at the materials needed. We will need a wooden round stick, 4 neodymium magnets, 1 battery, and copper wire. The first thing we need to do is create our train. You need an equal number of magnets on both sides of the battery. So you can use 2 or 4 or even 6 magnets. I am going to use 4 magnets. If I use 4 magnets, that means I should have 2 magnets on each side of the battery. Like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Neodymium magnets are very strong, so be sure to do this experiment with an adult. This will be our train. Now it's time to make the coils. We need to ensure that the coil is not too big or too small for the train. So you can wrap your coil around a round stick, just like this. There we go. We've got our coils. Now, let's test our train out. Put the train into one end of the coil. When the train is completely in the coil, it will shoot to the other side of the coil super fast, just like this. Oh, wait a minute. That's not right. Oh, I know. The poles of the magnet must be facing in the wrong direction. Look here. The magnets are attracting each other. That's not right. So we can flip one side of the magnets. Now they will repel each other. That's right. Now place the battery in between these magnets. See? The magnets should attach to the battery quite easily, like this. Now, let's test our train again. I'll put the train completely in the coil and look! It moves quickly from one side of the coil to the other. Wow! Now, let's try with 2 coils together to see if the train can go from one side all the way to the other. Ready? Wow, it did! Was it magic that made the train move through the coil quickly? No, it's science. Our train is actually a bar magnet with 2 poles, a north pole and a south pole. When we put this magnet into the coils, there is an electrical current in the copper wire, and this causes a magnetic field around the magnet. The poles of the magnetic field will pull it along the track very quickly. Because of the magnetic poles, the train can only move in one direction, but not the other. Super cool, right? I had such a great time making the electromagnetic train today. With the same materials I just used, you can do it yourself at home. Okay, that's it for this experiment. Goodbye!
Let's review what we learned together. It was so much fun making an electromagnetic train, wasn't it? To make the train, we needed to use a magnet. All magnets have a north pole and a south pole. Magnets produce a magnetic field which attracts or repels other magnets. Attract? What does it mean? To attract is when two things are pulled together with a magnetic force. Most things made of metal can be attracted by magnets. In this experiment, we also used a copper wire to make coils. We put the magnet into the coils to watch it move. The magnet moves through the coil really fast. I thought it was really cool to watch. Okay, that's it for this time. I hope you had fun and learned something. See you next time. Goodbye.